Hello, my name is Rob Allen. I work in the sales department here at Stromqust, and I'm the lucky guy that gets to show you the new website. We're super proud of it. We put a lot of thought into it, and we know you guys are going to love it. We've put a lot of the functionality of the old website into the new one so that the guys that have been using it for years and years will still feel comfortable and be able to use it. But we've put a fresh new twist on it with a lot of new graphics, a lot of new PDFs. It's a lot more easy to maneuver, and we know you guys are going to love it. What I'm going to do for you today, this is part one of a two-part series, and we're just going to go over a few basic things. How to pull up commonly ordered parts online, how to look at cut sheets, how to do cross-references, and then finally how to set up a login to be able to order online. And then we'll go in next week and show you how to actually process orders and place orders online. So let's dive right in. The first thing here is off to the left, product categories. What that's going to do is just going to give you some of the basic categories that you might be looking for to find whatever parts that you may need. Let's just go into actuators and valves real quick to show you how that's going to work. Click on it, and then you would just go through and just make selections as you need them. So let's go to valves. Let's pull up an ASCO solenoid valve. Solenoid valves, general purpose, and then let's just do the basic red hat solenoids. So you're going to get a listing of all of the basic valves that you have. It's going to show you the size, 1/4 inch, 120 volt coil, and then what it's good for. What I want to do is show you something that we're currently out of stock on to show you what happens. It's an 8210 G94. We are out of stock, but it gives you the lead time of our normal lead time, so 7-day lead. I think that's very important because a lot of times you see out of stock and you get kind of nervous about placing that order because you don't really know what it is, and then you're going to end up calling the store anyway. This way you guys can do this from the comfort of your own home, on the job site, wherever you want to do, and it's a lot easier, we think, for you guys. That's the first way to pull up just by, via product category. Now, if you happen to know exactly what it is that you're looking for, you can go ahead and pop it on in. Let's just do another valve, a VB-7313. I've already got it pulled up here, but hit enter. There we go. Hit the wrong button. What it's going to do is, the list was so big, it took a little bit to populate. But it's going to show you all the VB-7313s, and then from there you can go in. Another neat thing is if you know that it was a VB-7313, but you didn't know where all the dashes and all that kind of good stuff was, what you can do is start again VB-7313, and then go ahead and put the percent sign in. That's the wild card. And then you can just hit enter if you wanted to, or you could actually finish up with the part number and hit enter. Give it another second. And it's going to show you basically what it's done is you can see where the little part here was given everything that was in between the 7313 and the -02. Just another way to pull up some stuff. Now, one of the most commonly asked questions that we get every day at Stromqust is, can I get a cut sheet for that? Absolutely, you can definitely get a cut sheet for that. What we've done here is we've put the literature link. And this is really, really, really neat. This is my favorite thing about the website. It allows you guys to be able to go to the website, pop in a part number or a quote or an order number into one of these fields here, and pull up all the available cut sheets for that part number or that quote or order. This proves very handy when you're doing submittals, getting things signed off on, or you just generally have an installation question or something like that. So basically, show you how this works. Let's just do a, what do we want to do? Let's do an RM7895. All right, so here you're going to have your fault codes, conversion sheet, conversion wiring, and installation instructions. These days, a lot of people are going to the RM7895 from something else, and conversion wiring and installation instructions is key for these folks. And when you're calling into the store, what we have to do is download these, put them in an email attachment, send it over. They could take 15, 20 minutes. If we're busy at the store, this gives you guys a way to get access to it right off the bat, and you can send whoever else that needs access to these things right to the website, or you can download them yourself and send them an email. The way whatever you need for them to do. But basically, you would just click on one of these here. Let's just do installation instructions, and then you'll see that what it does is pull up a nice clean PDF for you. They're never going to be scanned copies where they're hard to read or anything like that. But this just does a basic PDF for you. Now, if you have let's just go right back into literature. It's just as easy to do anything like that. If you've got the quote or the order number, this is where this really comes in handy, because if you got 5 or 6 or 10 or 20 things, that'd be a great order. Call me if you get that one. You can pop in the quote number 7994, and what that's going to do is pull up everything that's available cut sheet wise on that quote or order. As you can see, this person got a 12-inch round damper and also the damper actuator to go with it. And you can pull up product data for each one of these. And again, do whatever it is that you need to do with these. So super, super neat thing to be able to get cut sheets right away. The next thing I want to do is cross-reference. Let's just go back home so we have a good starting point. And then you click on XREF, and that's going to allow you to go in and do a cross-reference. Let's do a R4140G 1056. Isn't it funny this computer knows what I'm going to type? It's not because I've done it already once, I promise. All right, so this is telling you that you're going to cross to a 7140G 2008, and you're also going to want to add the purge card for that, and you can also add the display module if you would like to do so. You can click on the R7140. We have one in stock. You can look at literature if you'd like. Installation instructions. But basically, you now have a good part number that quick and easy without having to go on hold or wait for one of us to pick it up or flip through. It's all right there, easy for you guys to get through right in the palm of your hand or on your table or wherever it is. Last thing that I want to do is show you how to set up an account to order online. Super, super, super simple. First thing, go to my account. If you already have your account number and you've already logged into our site once, it's super easy. You log in again. If you're watching this video, chances are you have not already set up an online account with us. Click over here to the right, register now, and enter in some basic information. The one thing you won't know off the top of your head, more than likely, is your customer code. That is your account number. If you don't have that, please feel free to call anyone at Stromqust, and we can provide you with your customer code, and then you can go right to the website and set this up. Guys, the website that's just the tip of the iceberg. It does a heck of a lot more things that I know that you guys will definitely find useful. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, please make those posts at the bottom of this video, and we'll be able to get you back quick as possible and get you an answer on whatever it is. Or if it's just feedback for something later down the road, it's possibly something we can implement, we will get you squared away. Check back with us again next week as we'll do part 2 of this, which will be how to actually go online and order, etc., etc., etc. I thank you very much for your time, guys, and hopefully we will be talking to a lot of you guys very soon. Thank you very much.